Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video tutorial I'm going to be showing you the new WhatsApp update that we'll be talking about WhatsApp voice note on WhatsApp status. Probably you have been seeing a lot of people posting on their WhatsApp status with voice notes, just like the way you have messaged people on WhatsApp, just like the normal chats that you do on WhatsApp, and you are able to send your voice note through your WhatsApp status. It's simply amazing. I'm going to show you how to do it yourself without downloading any third party app. So let's wait and do it. Now, the next step is just for you to go to your Apple Store, your Play Store on your phone. So, if you have WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business or GB WhatsApp or any WhatsApp, I'm not very sure of GB and all those mod versions of WhatsApp. Probably are using FM, OG WhatsApp, and the rest. So, but I'm very sure of WhatsApp Business and the normal WhatsApp because I have two of them on my phone right now. So, let me go straight down to my what's it called now? To my Play Store and and show you my WhatsApp. So let's assume you haven't updated your WhatsApp. You're going to go to Play Store and update both apps. Let's say you're using both the WhatsApp Business and the normal app on the normal WhatsApp. So you are going to update it so that to avoid unnecessary glitches and all of these things. This video tutorial I'm going to be talking about once you've gotten to Play Store. Remember in my first video, like the intro video I talked about, when you're already in your like the first thing I'm going to do is like you come to your Play Store, then you search for what's it called now? My WhatsApp. Let's say I'm searching for my WhatsApp Business or the WhatsApp Messenger, anyone you are using. You are going to make sure it's updated. You see, my one now is showing something like open. It's because I'm having the WhatsApp Business on my phone and it's already updated. That's why you're seeing it here. So immediately you do this one like this. So immediately you go to your Play Store, your Apple Store, just download the WhatsApp Business or your normal WhatsApp, then you are good to go. Just make sure it's updated, just like this one you are seeing on my screen. Then if you are using the WhatsApp Messenger, you do the same for it. So I'll be starting with my WhatsApp Messenger. WhatsApp Messenger is like normal WhatsApp. If you are using GB WhatsApp, I'm very sure maybe it's working on it, but just update your GB WhatsApp at the same time, maybe GB, FM, OG WhatsApp, and all those mode version of WhatsApp. So just do the same thing. So now my WhatsApp Business is here and this is my normal WhatsApp, right? So I'm going to be showing you, just tap on new status update like this. So this is where the app stuff is. Let me show you now. This place, you can see something like voice button that is at the top of mine. Voice, like it's at the top of my keyboard rather. So this one that is at beside, exactly beside my status contact. This one that you're seeing here. This one, this one. You see something like here. Immediately I tap on it like this, it will show this one, but I don't want to record anything right now. So what I want to do right now is that I just go back again. So I come to this place. If you want to record anything, just long press the icon, then you continue to talk. So it's just having limitation to 30 seconds. So whatever you want to say, just summarize it in 30 seconds. Then you can always send another status. You don't want it to be too long. You don't want to be talking like as if you are talking to someone on phone call. You grab this is a WhatsApp status. You're having a lot of people viewing your status. You don't want them to just keep your WhatsApp status you grab. So just limit it to 30 seconds. Then you send it. So you can see have the access to preview it. Let's say when you send voice note on WhatsApp, you can easily listen to it yourself before you send it to a person. Probably you are using airport and it's not recording anything, or probably just any glitches is happening. You want to make sure that you confirm first before you send anything. So just press the place like icon, then you continue to talk. So you grab. So this is how it will show on your. This is how it will appear on your WhatsApp status. Then you can easily change the background again. Let's say me now on my WhatsApp Business, I always use this background, this one, this particular one, and this black. So I you can never you can never see me using all this one. So you can't see me using all those other background because I'm used to it and I want my audience to be used to it as well. So whenever they see that background, they remember it's me. Grab. So then you go to your WhatsApp Business if you are using the WhatsApp Business as well. So you just start your WhatsApp Business like this, then you open it. You do the same thing. It's just the same procedure, the same method. Nothing is different. You grab. So once you open your WhatsApp Business like this is how my WhatsApp Business is. So you tap on this place as well. You see this icon exactly beside exactly at the top of my keyboard. So you long press it, press it. Hello, this and that is happening. This one. Just say whatever is in your mind, and you are good to go. So remember, you can also change the background, just like I said in my normal WhatsApp. So this one can change it. Nothing is happening. You can always preview it as well. So this and that happening, this one. Just say whatever is in your mind and you're good to go. You see, now that's exactly how it's going to work. So it's not a big deal actually. So then WhatsApp is having some other version of, like, is having some other features, like you can now preview link. Let's say someone send you a link and now preview it before you click on it. Then if someone, like, if you want to update your WhatsApp, it will tell you that, do you want to undo this one, I want to, maybe probably you mistakenly update something. Let go forbid you upload your nude picture or something. So you can easily undo it. Then you can preview WhatsApp link. You can always send view once. Before when you send view once picture, what I mean by view once is that, let's say you are sending a message to this group and you want it to be viewed by only, just like, you want someone to just view it once and close it. So let's say I'm using this one for example. Let me try to send a picture. So this one. So I just tap on this one. This thing that you're seeing, see, view once message give you more privacy. When you send a photo or video, it disappear from the chat after it is open. So you enable this one. Once you enable it like this, you once you enable it like this, you do what again? You you send it. Once you send it, the person will not be able to screenshot. People in the previous version, the person was able to, like, to send screenshot or something. So yeah, you don't want to do what, the person cannot screenshot and other stuff. So it's so amazing right now. And you can also reach out to me for your WhatsApp bot and automation. As you can see on my screen, I'm having a support group for WhatsApp bots. So people that are getting my WhatsApp bot is just like for auto saving, auto replying, bulk SMS, personalized message, follow up message, and the rest. So you can reach out to me for anything WhatsApp automation, WhatsApp lead generation, and WhatsApp marketing. So I have serious, like, I have a great knowledge of and understanding of anything WhatsApp. So just come to me for anything WhatsApp. I don't want to know, maybe it's, any challenge that you're having on your WhatsApp. Maybe it's not loading fast, it's not doing this. Just reach out to me. I'll surely give you a solution you grab. So you can easily reach out to me on my through my WhatsApp link in the video description. Or if you want to get my WhatsApp bot and the rest, I put my link in this video comment or description or something. So thanks for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Thanks.